அகமகிழ்ந்து இறைஞ்சினர் அறிந்து நீரு தோய் மணிமேனியர் நெடும் புனல் படிந்தார். ஆறு, river. They saw beautiful river. The body were all with mud. Neeru toy manimeniya. So their bodies were all full of sand of Yamuna and Ganges. When they saw the water, nedum punal padindar uru mel kanikirangi nodu undu neerundar. Kamban. Oh, we have missed Kamban for a while. So ஏரி ஏகுவது எங்கனம் என்றனன் இளையோன். Now Baya, how do I cross? We are going to come to this portion very soon, because we are coming into Chitrakoot. That's where Bharata is going to come and take away the Paduka of Rama. So if we could bring all the pictures, it will make the story much better. Anyway, so they saw the Yamuna, 60 kilometers they are walking. Then Bharadwaj